If you're a graphic designer and feel alone like me and also you wanted to put some text into your life using Word, this is how you do it. First go to the Insert tab and find this text box thing. Choose the Draw text box. Then drag over your image and you'll have yourself a really ugly looking thing. But that's just life though, nothing new. Then write your caption. And let's try to make our lives beautiful by going to the Shape Format tab and then click this Shape Fill drop, select No Fill. Then I'll choose the text fill to be white and the outline to be black. I'm trying to make this life look like a meme by the way. Then I'll go home and ask for the meme font. Ah yes. Looking gorgeous, aren't we? Shit. I forgot how to align it in the middle. Gotcha. You may now drag your life and put it wherever you like on the image. The outline's looking a bit too skinny though. Let's put some weight. Dang, that's fat. Where my diet plan at? Ah, that's looking gorgeous, sir. And now both the image and text are married. Wherever one goes, so does the other. And then they lived happily ever after. I hope you do too. Subscribe for more. Pillow.